more again, Mr. Michael Burgess, here for the PILAU program. Mr. Burgess, how wanted to do?
I'm doing great.
All right. It looks so me. Yeah, they say you took on the gold.
Yeah.
Tell us, what was that all about? What award did you get?
We went to the NCSD conference in Denver, Colorado. NCSD standing for the National Council on Student Development.
Yes.
Each year they give out what's called the Terry O'Banion Shared Journey Award. That award recognizes programs who display exemplary practices in student development. So we took 2 of our students from the PILAU program. We did a PowerPoint presentation on how we got started, the various challenges we overcame, and how our program can be replicated. And we shared a video which features yourself, along with students, Fred Washington,
and advisory board member, right? Yes.
And that combination of community involvement, student involvement, and relative information, I think is really what made the difference. I think the fact that our 2 students, Joseph Griffin and Byron Jones, made a huge impact on the attendees. When they gave the award, there were 2 other programs that were finalists for the Terry O'Banion Award, and on that Saturday evening, they awarded us as gold recipients.
Yes.
In the Terry O'Banion Award. So
outstanding.
It was a big moment for the PILAU program.
I'm sure.
Especially considering how new
the program is.
We are literally, in terms of having staff and actually doing the work, working with students, we're less than a year. We'll be 1 year come January 2010. That will be a full 12 months that we've been up and running. So I'm really excited about the program and the things we've been doing, and looking forward to doing more, looking forward to working with you.
Oh, yeah.
And working with more students and seeing more African American males succeed academically at the Technical College of the Lowcountry.
Absolutely right. And I know that today is sort of a wrap-up party, so to speak, for the year. So, and for this holiday season, kind of getting them set and ready, going into their finals, and then going on home, right, for the break.
Exactly.
Yes.
One last thing, we try not to do too much while the students are doing exams, because we want them to have that time to devote to their studies, because for all the cultural engagement that we do, for all the other activities we do with students, it all comes down to how are you performing as a student academically. What is it that you're doing to continue your journey toward graduation, toward earning your award at the end. And that's what we want to see the students do. We want them to come out of TCL as better men than they came in. So all of the cultural components and the different things we do and working with them aid in that process. But ultimately, they've got to do the academic work and perform. And we want them to shoot for excellence.
Absolutely.
Nothing less.
Now, see, you have to have academics because PILAU stands for what? I got you on the spot there.
Yeah, you hit me there. Promoting integrity, leadership, academics, and cultural understanding.
That's right. So that's for sure excellent, and I believe that we definitely have done an outstanding job this year. No doubt by the smiles on these young men and women's faces, they're happy, and I believe that when you get the students to be happy, then you help their success. So definitely we commend you, congratulate you for getting the gold. You know, I'm always about the black gold. So definitely, Mr. Burgess, thank you for all this year, and thank you for PILAU, and Hunter Chiller this year, the what Gwine on. Queen Quet behind the camera this year time. Take care, peace, and happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
All right there.
Thank you.